Hello, everyone. Paul Eisel here again, REO Auction Academy, and also host of Flipping Out podcast. Make sure you tune into that as well. We have some great guests on that channel as well. Today, I want to dive into here. I'm going to do a screen share and get into what's going on in the market here with the housing. Good article by Redfin. This is very, very important, right? And this tells me, what this is telling me here is we are at our absolute peak, or may have just passed the peak of the housing market. And I don't think we're going to have a precipitous decline by any means, but I just want to give you some info here. More than 50% of houses are selling above asking price right now. So the home prices hit a record high of 350 to almost 353,000, or up 24% year over year, which is just unbelievable. 24% in 1 year. People that were purchasing homes last year turning around selling them for great profits if they're moving again. The asking price increased to 358,975, also a record high. And again, as I said, 50% of homes are being sold more than their list price, 23 percentage points from the same period a year earlier. And 101.7 is the average price above ask. So a little bit above ask. And my property that I'm selling here, we did also get above ask, which is the normal in a market, and a property that's in good shape and a good location that has ideal things. If you're above average, like I feel we are above average here, we get far above the asking price, and it's just amazing what's going on. But what it's telling me is we are at our absolute peak. I think next year when I do a video about this in May, we'll be in a different situation. We'll have settled. Things will be either even or slightly down, which is okay. When you go up 24% in 1 year, next year they should probably be pretty stable or down. We can't continue this upward trend. People can't afford things. If the price or if interest rates go up, you're going to really see prices drop. But I don't think we'll see interest rates go up anytime soon or quickly. The Federal Reserve is going to do what they can to keep the prices down, which in turn, or to keep the rates down, I should say, which in turn will keep the prices fairly stable. If we do see an uptick in rates, like I said, you're going to expect a 10 to 15% correction in the market, which is normal. As much as we've gone up in the past, really since 2013, when we hit our low, we've really just gone up unbelievably. So the metrics to compare from 2019, pending home sales were up 22% from the same period in 2019, which is interesting considering there is less inventory right now. So what that's telling you, obviously, a couple of things here. Less inventory, but there's more pending properties, which means it's a much hotter market, obviously, and things are moving very, very quickly. Things are being listed on a Friday and sold by Sunday. So that's what's going on in the market here. Good article, good charts here to follow, but I really do feel we are going to be at our peak here as far as pricing. Maybe we'll peak in September or August. We'll see how far this goes. Generally, things settle down after September, really after August, when everybody's getting settled and getting ready, kids are getting ready for school. But we'll see. We'll see that. I mean, it's a very interesting market. I just want to give you a quick update. Interesting data out there. I'm going to really start to get into a lot more of this in the coming weeks, just so we can really gauge where we are in this market and to know what to do. And as investors, we need to know where to draw the line on what kind of price point we're willing to go to. Obviously, we're not hitting these retail prices. It's going to be hard to cash flow a lot of these properties. If you're like myself, going into more rural markets, less popular, so things sit in the market a little bit longer, you're going to get better pricing there, and you're still going to get great rents in those markets. So, it's something that you should look at as well. Just don't stick in your backyard. Open it up a little bit further. As I showed in videos in the past, you put that bullseye around your city, just keep extending outward, another 30 minutes, then go 45 minutes out, then up to an hour out. And if you need to go further, go further. Look, I mean, I use the whole country as my backyard, and I think most people should, but you've got to be comfortable in order to do that. Anyway, I hope I hope you got some good information here, and I appreciate you guys listening. Any feedback would be great. If you guys have anything you want us to look at here in the future, let me know, and we'll make sure we create videos and content on that. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.